That's Brian here, and it's been I think a couple days since I've done videos. I haven't uploaded them. That's just what a prep talk. I'll turn the lights on and then I'll show you what am I reviewing and unboxing. So you can skip this, or you can watch me turn on these lights. Okay, you can go back now. Yeah, I had to turn on the lights. So yeah, what's the review? And if you've been watched my Dino Escape videos, you think I'd not get Dino Escape anymore? You're wrong, cause look what I got from Amazon. The new Fierce Force Tank Trophy. It's not new, but it's Dino Escape. Ooh. I didn't get it in stores. I just only got it online. Amazon online. And on the back, it shows you get Tank Trophies. And then you have this lever which, push. And it's cool. Here are the other characters. You can get a Styracosaurus, Monolithosaurus, and a Mosasaurus. Okay. This is just really cool. Now, the reason why I want to open this is because this is just one of my favorites. Come on. It's awesome. So, let's open it. There. Let's cut it open. Just cut it open. There you go. The Tanny Strophius. It looks awesome. Look at the neck. This is how long the neck is. Anyways, it's just blue colors. Looks awesome. It looks like it's staring on me. Staring on you. Yeah, so the articulation is cool. These legs can move. These other legs they're so hard. These are like really hard legs. This leg too. There. And it can move. The neck is obviously the best. The head and the neck is the best feature. Has this opening jaw. Looks kind of weird. And his neck does move. Sometimes I get kind of scared about it breaking. But it is. But it can't break that easily. I mean, come on, it's a toy. Toys can break, but they do not break that easily. They're cool though. And for some reason, I'm seeing a bendy feature. Which is weird. That's a weird bendy feature, but it's awesome. And the action feature is to press this down. And the tennis trophy is just doing like this. Gonna move its tail, and then it will just go down. It's awesome. That is actually really cool. Out of all the Dino Escapes, this has gotta be my second favorite. I mean, actually my favorite one. My second favorite's gotta be the Roar Attack Allosaurus from Wave 3. The reason why I top it, because it's just cool, it's awesome, and I like the colors too. I also like the Allosaurus too, but this guy's awesome. I don't hate the Allosaurus. You think I'd hate the Roar Attack Allosaurus from Wave 3? No, I wouldn't! Dude, I wouldn't hate it, but yeah. Here's the scan code, which is right over here to scan. And this is cool. Yeah. So this is a cool one here. I think this is gonna be a water dwelling one. So yeah, like and subscribe, guys, and stay tuned for more. And if you're wondering if you can send fan mails, not yet. I need to give you a PO box, and then I can tell you. Then you can send fan arts. So if you want to see, if you love fan arts, want to show it, I'm sorry, I won't. Don't want to. You know. Yeah, but I will send you. We'll do how. So, what do you want me to do? A reaction video or review and unbox something like this, Tanistropheus. I mean, not like this, but like other Jurassic World toys. Yeah. If you want me to do a reaction video, which reaction video you want me to do. And if you want me to review and unbox something, tell me review a Jurassic World toy, comment which one to review. And if you're picking which one to review, you want me to review, do one that's gonna be from Dominion, because if you say Dino Escape, it was tough. It's gonna be tough. Since this Tanistropheus, it was super tough finding it and tracking it down, but I found it. It's awesome. So yeah, like and subscribe. Goodbye.